Alright everybody, as I always do, we're going to start in the back of the coach and go forward here in this Prowler 303BH bunkhouse. You got 3 windows in this rear bunkhouse. You have bunk over bunk. What really makes this room unique, because you're not going to find it in this category, is it has actually a dinette. Now this converts of course into a bed, so that's why I say you got bunk over bunk, LED lighting, AC. You also have an entertainment center specifically for this bunkhouse. Got no carpet throughout. The only thing you're going to find is on the slide a marine grade woven fabric. Very durable, water resistant, odor resistant, very easy to clean. Now if we talk about the kitchen, immediately what draws my eye in this floor plan is you have a lot of storage. You've got a microwave above a 3-burner stove with a glass top, this all new residential style reefer. Now for those of you that want to dry dock, you will be able to get the LP version and it should fit in the same cavity. So just check with your authorized Prowler dealer. One thing that I do like that Prowler's done, these are actually removable. So depending on what you're going to be packing, of course, every family has different unique needs in camping. And this is going to accommodate for whatever you need to store. Press countertop, again with the beveled edge, real nice soft corners. That is really important if you have little campers. The other thing too is you've got a lot of space, a lot of counter space here. They're hitting on what's trending, light in colors, neutral tones, and again, you got nice hardware that's new for 2021, glass inserts, but these cabinets are deep. And notice they're not too low, so you have a lot of open space to easily prepare your food when you're hosting all of your guests camping. This U-shaped dinette allows sleeping for 2 people. This floor plan should accommodate up to 9 campers to sleep comfortably when camping. You've got a very large table here, USB charging stations, massive windows here in the slide. You've got a massive window that opens in the kitchen. So with all these windows opening, guess what folks? You're not going to have to rely on that AC. This should be able to mount up to a 65-inch flat screen TV. Of course, you want to check and confirm the weights and dimensions, but this is absolutely massive and prepped for your TV. As Prowler has done in all the floor plans, it has the pass-through HDMI and USB. So you want to bring music out to the campsite, you can do that. If you want to hook up the PlayStation without taking the TV off, you can now do that with that pass-through. You also have, again, I keep saying, a lot more storage, more room to put all of your things when you're camping. In addition, here on this bottom shelf, again, more USB charging. So again, that smartphone, you can charge right here. If it's just you and maybe one other guest before your other guests arrive, you've got 2 cup holders here. If you need additional storage, again, the Prowler team has thought about it. There's storage underneath this jackknife sofa, and again, here's that sleeping arrangement for those guests when you're looking to host up to 9 different people. Every Prowler, because of how they were completely redesigned, now have a true queen size bed, 60 by 80. Also in the front of the coach, you have 2 massive large windows. Again, why? So we don't have to tax the air conditioning unit. Both of these windows open to give you nice cross breeze. Storage shelf here above your bed. If we look at the closets, these will hold a 2XL shirt. You've got LED lighting here on both sides, but the most important feature is all about functionality. A lot of people that are traveling are using CPAP machines. By integrating these nice pass-through entryways here on both sides of the closet, you're able to run all your tubing, all your cords, all your wires. You also have power in each side of your closets. You've got dual ducts. Not other RVs at this price point are going to run dual ducts from right here in the front of the coach all the way to the back of the bunkhouse. Now, you also have an option in this floor plan if you want to have a secondary AC. Please talk to your authorized Prowler dealer about that option. We didn't have a location in the past for your trash can. We do now. Here under the sink, with the innovative design here by raising the cabinets up, you now have a place to put all of your shoes so they are not in your way. You have over 23 doors and drawers in this floor plan of the 303BH. If you have questions, ask us, the manufacturer, at heartlandrvs.com.